Hassan! Kamaru, the Nigerian Nightmare, Usman!
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Touch gloves if you wish, and let's do this.
You can almost feel the tension in the building. It all comes down to this. American top teams, Hayder Hassan is in the red.
Usman wants to earn Hassan's respect on the feet. Do some well-timed takedowns. They feel like Hassan overextends.
It was episode 1. Hassan was already calling out Usman.
A very nice scramble there. Go in there one style, and he really evolves their game. He adds a lot. Chances off, and maybe he could. Hassan's never seen before.
Good knee there on the end, and another one for good measure by Usman.
Hassan doing his best to keep his hips away, avoid the clinch and the takedown here. A nice takedown there from Usman. 2 weeks later, there may be no prouder American building than Hayder Hassan.
Usman continues.
Either way, this is putting a tremendous amount of pressure on the arms. Escape the clinch after this much grinding. They just don't have the speed. Smart game plan being employed here from Kamaru Usman. Usman, you're a power striker. You want to put on the performance, and the other guy's just suffocating you and not a lot of logical effects. Every time Hassan starts to run a matchup, knowing that Usman. And again, repeated takedowns. I feel like he's going to gas from the repeated attempts.
All right, strong start for the Blackzilians here. Round 2 now between Hayder and Kamaru Usman.
Usman got hurt by the uppercut. And Hassan got too aggressive there. Got desperate, now controlling. He's trying to repay the favor.
By Usman.
And just excellent. To just continue to stay on top. The setup for an arm triangle choke here. Hassan's struggling to breathe. I can hear it here from the desk.
Look like a tap.
That's it!
Kamaru Usman comes up huge for the Blackzilians!
Declaring the winner by submission, representing the Ultimate Fighter Team Competition winners, the Blackzilians, Kamaru, the Nigerian